Hey guys, it's Cole back with some more Wipeout. Let's start from the second level of this. Let's go. Ah, you piece of ball. Piece of ball. Oh, that's pocket change. That's no problem. 1,000 coins. No problem. $1,000. Now that's a lot. Close this door. Okay, let's go. Okay. Ah, I died. Not nice. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Don't take it out of my way. Oh, I did away. Oh, my face. Oh, my face. Oh, my face. Oh. Come on. Load. Ow. Come on. Oh, yes. Okay. I make it. I hate this one. Bye! I don't find this game funny anymore. We get to a new level. You know what? Let's go to the first level. Why not? Let's go to the first show. This will be no problem. See, now this is the fun. This is fun. When it's not hard. Work it, ladies. Hey, girls. Let's go. Jump. Oh, stupid stick thing. This ball will not get me. Oh, got my butt. You wouldn't be touching my butt. Balls of bounciness. Wee, 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 wee. Come on. Let's go. Wee. Qualified. Oh yeah. Come on. Okay. Whoa there. Whoa. Whoa, jeez. Yeah, that's right. Suck it. There's no way somebody could beat that. This just run right through it. Okay, let's do it. Move, move, move. Oh. Whoa. Whoa, mama. You seen that video? It's very fun. I like it. Oh, crap. Are you kidding me? Must make 31 seconds. Ah! Didn't make it. try it again because I lost. Holy crap. Retry and collect prize anyways. I'm gonna collect my prize too. Let's do it! Let's try it one more time. Work it, ladies. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Ow, my face. Suck it. Oh. Ouch. That looked painful. Okay. Nice knowing you. I can make it. I can make it. No, what? It's like physically impossible. How in the world are you supposed to do this? I don't even know, but one more time. It's gay. Whoa, collect prize. Oh yeah. Give me all that money. So I basically didn't even spend anything on that level. And, oh. Okay. I can't even wipe out once.